Hello and welcome to our first lesson in the Introduction to JavaScript course. JavaScript is a versatile and widely used programming language that powers much of the web's interactivity. JavaScript is primarily used for adding interactive features to websites, and it's one of the three core technologies of the web, along with HTML and CSS. So there are two ways to run JavaScript. The first one is directly within your browser. All modern browsers have a JavaScript engine built in, so you can write and run your code right there. The second, more efficient way is running it via Node.js. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment that lets you run JavaScript on your machine, which is necessary for server-side development. You can download Node.js from their official website. After you've installed it, you can simply run a JavaScript file using Node and then insert your file name .js. So to get started, let's write some basic JavaScript syntax. So let's first declare a variable. We're going to do this by typing in var x equals 10. We can also make variables a string by doing var y and then within quotation marks hello world. Now let's go ahead and console log both of these things. If you simply run node index.js, as you will see, it prints out 10 and hello world as expected. So let's take a look at some arithmetic operators inside JavaScript. So we have multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition. So let's go ahead and write console log 10 plus 10, console log 2 divided by 2, console log 5 plus 5, and console log 5 minus 5. And let's go ahead and delete our previous code. So it should print 20, 1, 10, and 0 as expected. So now it's your turn. Feel free to experiment with console log and the arithmetic operators in JavaScript. Try creating different expressions and see what results you get. That's it for lesson 1. I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson, where we'll deep dive into JavaScript and explore variables, data types, and more.